Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a whole house clean with me. I have never done one of these videos before that I can remember. I don't know, maybe I have, but anyways, that is what I'm going to do today. And this does take me like 2 days to actually clean our whole entire house. So it took 2 days to film this video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it does give you guys some cleaning motivation when you just have those days you just do not want to clean.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you, yeah.
The first thing I start off with is just the dining room. The dining room table had tons of crafts, and we painted in the morning, and it had crumbs from breakfast and snacks. So I just started with this room and started with the dining room table and just wiped everything down. I always use a Method all-purpose cleaner, and this one is in the grapefruit smell, and I'm absolutely loving this one.
Me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed.
And then I'm just going to wipe everything else down. And this day I actually did clean the fish tank. That was a nasty, nasty mess, if you can't already tell. I absolutely hate our fish. It is like a little goldfish, and it has like this big tank with a filter, and we used to have a lot, but they all died. But now we just have this like goldfish that we have to take care of. It's like, so I don't know if you guys have fish. If you love fish, okay, I apologize, but like I am over this fish. Like, but what do you do with it but take care of it? So anyways, this is like after I clean the fish tank, and you can tell how clean and beautiful the water is. But then I'm just going to take my Bissell Crosswave and mop the whole entire dining room.
The chance, loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you, yeah. Got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl, I need you. You're smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl,
And then once the dining room was done, I just went back to the kitchen. I usually take care of the kitchen first, but this time I didn't, and I just started finishing taking care of all the dishes I didn't feel like taking care of earlier that morning. And then I'm just going to wipe everything down and do the windows and mop.
how many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl, I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl, I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now.
And then next is the bathroom. Presley is fully potty trained, so she actually likes to go into the bathroom all by herself, but she seems to miss a lot and pee down the side, and like that's probably TMI, and probably eventually like down the road when she's older she'll be like, oh my god, why did you tell people this? So I have to like spray this bathroom down so much. I'm just using like scrubbing bubbles. I used a coupon, so I have a ton of cleaning products left over that I have to use probably within the next year, or they're just everything is going to start to go bad. But normally I do use a lot of all natural cleaners just because Presley is always by me watching me clean. So but anyways, I'm just using that. I think it makes everything just a little bit more cleaner, and knowing that I had pee on my floor and stuff like that is just, you know, it's more of a breath of fresh air that I'm cleaning with this stuff instead.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel.
And our living room is the most lived in. We've had so many snow days lately that the girls have been home from school. I normally don't clean when Scarlett is home from school, but these snow days are killing me here, so I have been having to clean while she's been home.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
And then this is all I did for the day. So I usually just do the whole downstairs. So I do like the living room, dining room, kitchen, and the bathroom. And then the next day I will be doing everything else in our house. It just takes me so long to do this. And like, I don't know how people can clean their whole entire house when they have kids unless somebody's watching them. Nobody watches my kids. So this is all I was able to accomplish. But I think that is a lot in one whole day.
Your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
So the very next day, I made a list of everything that I had to accomplish and I wanted to get done. So I really wanted to vacuum our stairs and our furniture because I didn't do that the day before. And normally I usually vacuum the furniture before I mop in there. But I don't really think that our furniture is that disgusting. And if there was any hair or anything left over, I would just vacuum it up anyways. So it's not really that big of a deal. But anyways, I was just going to vacuum all of our stairs and then our furniture.
For a moment, I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to man's mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
So once that was all done, I just had a lot to do upstairs. I would have to clean the bathrooms, and then I always vacuum the hallway and then vacuum Presley's room. And like I said, Scarlett's room is always off limits in my videos, but that always gets done as well. I think it was actually already clean, and I didn't even have to do it this day. So we have 3 bathrooms in our house. We have 2 upstairs, and this one right here, it rarely gets used. We kind of just use it for the toilet, and then everything else just kind of gets dusty. So I always just still clean everything and wipe everything down just as normal, like we'd use it on a day-to-day basis. But I only probably clean this bathroom maybe once a month, and I just clean the toilet like once a week. And then since I have decluttered, Presley's room has stayed so clean, and for some reason I didn't get myself dusting on camera, but I did dust before I vacuumed. But this room, I absolutely love her room now because like I said, it stays so much cleaner since I decluttered. And I know a lot of people want to say that I didn't declutter enough or get rid of enough, but it's making my life a lot easier, so I'm super happy with that. And then I'm just taking care of random clothes I didn't feel like taking care of when I did the laundry. And that is all I'm doing in the laundry room. And then in our bedroom, I'm just going to be dusting and vacuuming everything. And then we already washed the sheets, and my husband actually put those on as I was dusting everything.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out what I do.
And I did kind of start decluttering in our bedroom just a little bit. We didn't have a lot of stuff in here, but I sometimes get so sick of moving everything when I dust. I start to purge things as I go because I'm like, there's so much stuff in here and I don't feel like moving it and putting it back after I dust. So that is what I did here.
This right, there's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. trying to do is let you know that when you touch my.
And then now I'm just cleaning the last bathroom, and this is not like a normal bathroom. This is the one we use on a day-to-day basis, but this is not like a normal girl bathroom, like where you see their hair stuff and makeup stuff everywhere, like in pictures I see like on Pinterest. And we don't have our house that messy. Like, I have a little makeup bag, and when I use it, I put my makeup back in it and put it away. The only thing that usually stays out is my hair straightener, so it can cool down so I'm not burning everything up if I put it away in a plastic bin. But I'm just using the Method all-purpose cleaner in the lime and sea salt. I don't usually use the same products in every single bathroom just because I have a basket under every single cabinet just so I don't have to keep bringing stuff in and out and move it all around. So everything has its own sprays and everything, so that's why you always see me using different things.
It all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do.
Alright, you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. And if this did give you some cleaning motivation, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!